If you've been around the church very long, you've been through a lot of Palm Sundays, you know that this is almost a farce. I mean, it's cool that they shouted praise and Hosanna at the beginning, but on Friday, this same bunch were shouting crucify and crucify. So it's kind of like a dance on the Titanic. I used to wonder, why in the world do we celebrate this day? It really is a farce. And why did Jesus, and he knew what was going to happen. He knew they were going to hang him on a cross. He knew what they were going to shout. He even could feel the spittle running down his face, and yet he didn't stop the party. What's with that? Not only that, when the uptight, and I'm sure they're Presbyterians, when the uptight Pharisees said, Jesus, can't you do something about this noise? Can't you do something about these, your disciples? And Jesus said, and I love this, if they were quiet and still and Presbyterian, even the rocks would cry out. What's with that? Why do we celebrate this? Why did Jesus allow the party knowing what was happening? Well, I'm going to tell you. Because there's some things that you can't make be silent.